So what's the challenge of work like this?
The thing is that these children, now the classes that you saw me working with was the third and the fourth. Okay, they have absolutely no base in English, as you can see. So when they go into the fifth next year,
Right.
they'll be going into an English medium, and they will not be prepared for it at all. That's why. Two is the teacher over here also doesn't know English, so it becomes very difficult for her to do anything with them really in English. They have absolutely no knowledge either of reading, the sounds, the spellings, the ability to understand the vocabulary. If you notice that we were trying to do verbs today,
Yeah.
but basically what was coming out was just names of objects.
Right.
So, even the thing to say, I can run, I can jump, or just the word run, jump, or read is still not in
Yeah.
their vocabulary in standard form.
But they seem to be very eager to learn in that
Yeah,
sense.
definitely. They are all very very eager. In fact, it's difficult to even control them. But that's part of it, and that's fun.
So how do they see English? They see it as a language of opportunity or something they a
I
hurdle or
think for them it's not so much opportunity. It's just the challenge of doing something new and something that
Yeah.
sounds nice, and that is really what we're aiming to do. At least, I feel that just to make them enjoy English and realize that it's something that they can definitely get on.
So what works best with you when you want to teach them? I mean, are the books good? Are the kind of teaching methods that you'll use?
Basically, it's a multisensory teaching method.
Yeah.
So we need to look at both the print, the ability to speak, the sounds, the linking of the
Yeah.
visual as well as the what they hear. So language is like twofold. It's not just speaking. They have to
Yeah.
also be able to work with print. Okay, and also do. So what we're doing over here, the writing is more related to being able to feel the letters and understand the sounds and the way they are formed to help in reading.
You're basically a medical doctor.
Yeah.
What motivates you to doing work like this?
Well, got into it purely by default about 10 years ago
Yeah.
because I was not at home and not very much a home person. So when I got into this, it just got on, and from there it's carried on completely. So that's how it is. I'm working mainly with children with learning difficulties.
Thanks.